Take your starch mixture and add boiling water. Mix it thoroughly until the water is fully absorbed. Then knead it for 2 to 3 minutes until a ball is formed. Divide your dough into 3 equal parts and then cut each part into 8 sections. Roll each piece into a little ball and place it in a plastic bag to prevent drying. Then take your cleaver and oil it with an oiled paper towel to prevent sticking. Now take a ball and place it directly under the cleaver. Press down on the knife until the dough appears on either side of the cleaver. This ensures that the wrapper is the right size and thickness for the dumpling. Now place a teaspoon of dumpling filling into the center of the wrapper. Then place a piece of seasoned shrimp on the top. Seal the dumpling by folding the circle in half and pressing the edges together, making sure there is no opening. Now place these completed dumplings on a piece of parchment paper on the steamer. Cook these for 5 minutes after the water has started to boil. Enjoy these absolutely delicious fungal, and thanks for watching.